In this concise playlist, we are thrilled to introduce our latest innovation, the Slanted Roof enhancement. Allow me to guide you through the process of activating this remarkable feature, as well as creating 6 different typical slanted roofs, along with one untypical design. Additionally, I will demonstrate the installation of the upper beam on the shaft, specifically tailored for slanted roofs. Let's get started! This process starts with accessing your existing project or create a new one with the shaft wizard. The next important step is to activate the roof feature. To do this, go to the main project data interface. Under the shaft options, locate the roof section and select it. A simple click on the roof tab will immediately activate the important component. An alternative method for activating the roof involves utilizing the data tree, where you can locate the roof subordinated to the shaft. Confirm its activation by observing the breadcrumb window, which indicates its status when selected in the data tree.